So exosomes are tiny nano-sized particles released by cells, and they have a lipid bilayer and they come as a parcel. They generally carry lipids, proteins, messenger RNA, microRNA, cytokines, growth factors, and so on. They carry information and they deliver information from one cell to the other, working as a cellular messenger system. For example, cells in the dermis or in the hair follicle, they release exosomes, and that exosome can change the behavior of the neighboring cells or even cells that are distant. Matrix remodeling and fibroblast activation. Signaling pathways. Exosome influences key intracellular pathways. The PI3K AKT pathway, which is a very important pathway, also known as phosphoinositide 3 kinase or protein kinase B pathway. The WNT beta catenin pathway or wingless beta catenin pathway. The NFKB or nuclear factor kappa light chain enhancer of activated B cells. Hair follicle activation. Exosomes can increase the activation of the hair follicle and stem cells. It can also help with angiogenesis, which is new blood vessel formation at the root of the hair. Exosomes can also stimulate the hair papilla, and it can also lengthen the anagen phase of the hair cycle, which is the most important phase. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect. Exosomes can inhibit the inflammatory cytokines. It can reduce the reactive oxygen species, which is also known as free radicals, and it can improve microcirculation. So what can it be used for? Hair rejuvenation in hair thinning. Skin rejuvenation. Regulations and limitations. There are no exosomes that are currently approved by the FDA for injections. This regenerative field of exosomes suffers from lack of randomized control trials, variable product sources, and inconsistent processing and heterogeneity in results. Safety concerns. Impurities, off-target effects, donor cell variability, immune activation, and infection risk. Who is this for? In my clinical view, exosome therapy is best positioned as an adjunctive regenerative treatment rather than a first-line standalone treatment.